Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Das and I am a legal intern in Lexis and Company. So in today's video I am going to talk about one of two main important topics which are ratio decidendi and obiter dicta in law. So now talking about ratio decidendi refers to the legal principle of or rule of law that forms the binding part of a court's decision. It is a rationale behind the decision and serves as a precedent for the future cases. The ratio decidendi is the essential part of a judgment that directly applies to the facts of the case and determines the outcome. It establishes legal principles that must be followed by lower courts and similar cases are in future. The ratio decidendi is binding and carries the force of law as it sets a legal precedent that creates rights and obligations of parties involved in similar cases. On the other hand, obiter dicta refers to the remarks or statements made by the judges in the court of law while giving the decision. The statements are considered as obiter dicta, meaning things said by the way. So obiter dicta include comments, opinions or discussions on legal issues that are not necessary for the decision's reasoning or for the establishment of a legal precedent. Unlike ratio decidendi and obiter dicta, it is not binding for future cases. It does not have the same authoritative weight as the ratio decidendi has, but it can also provide a persuasive value for future legal arguments. Obiter dicta can be a valuable in guiding legal interpretation, offering insights to the judge thinking that potential future developments in the law. The distinguishing between ratio decidendi and obiter dicta can sometimes be challenging as it requires a careful analysis for court's reasoning and the context in which the statements are to be made. Courts and legal practitioners often rely on various decisions and the ratio decidendi established in those cases as authoritative sources of law. So I am now going to wind up this video, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can just ping in the comment box and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So thank you so much guys and have a nice day.